Okay folks, this is the third and final step in optimizing your home wireless network. Okay, I've already covered one, which was cleaning your computer, and changing the two was changing the DNS server for your router. Now we're gonna change the DNS server for your computer. Now this should be done on every computer on your home. Every computer in your home that has access to your wireless network, this step should be done there, okay, on each computer. So this is what we're going to do. On the Open DNS page, you can click on computer like we did router, okay, and it'll give you the step-by-steps. As you can see here, it has for Windows 7, and I think it's similar for Windows 8, those of us who are fortunate enough to have Windows 8. You click on that, and it gives you the instructions here. You can go step-by-step. All right, but I'm just going to, for practical purposes, I'm just going to tell you how to do it since I already know how to do it. All right, so what you want to do to change the DNS server on each computer in your home, go down here to the Start menu. Okay, and you want to go to your control panel. All right, and in your control panel, you want to find Network and Sharing. Okay, there we are, Network and Sharing. Click on that. All right, and then on Network and Sharing, you want to find your basically your wireless network where it says access type, home group, and connection. Your connection, which is mine here, FBI surveillance van. Okay, click on that. All right, and then you want to click properties. Click on properties. And then once you get on properties, you want to choose this one here. You want Internet Protocol version 4, and you can also do it for Internet Protocol version 6. But I recommend just doing it for Internet Protocol 4. Okay, so you hit version 4, and you click properties again. And then once you see on properties, you'll go down here where it says obtain DNS server address automatically. Yours should say that now, since you haven't done this before. So you want to take and click on the one that says use the following DNS server address. All right, and then for preferred DNS server, 208.67.222.222, and for alternative DNS server, 208.67.220.220. And then once you do that, you just go down here, click OK. You've changed, just that simple, you've changed the DNS server for that particular computer. But you need to do that on each computer. Okay, so now you just want to close out, okay, and close out. All right, so one of the things you want to make sure, you did it properly. So let's go back, let's backspace one. No, actually we don't have to go back, we don't have to backspace. Let's scroll down here to the bottom. Two things you need to do. Okay, you need to flush your DNS reserve cache, all right, to make sure that you did it properly. All right, so to do that, you want to go here to Start menu. Okay, click on that, and then here in the space when you run, where it says run, or where the little search window is with the little microscope, you want to type in CMD. Okay, and what that's going to do is going to create a control prompt. And up here it says CMD Executive. Click on that. This little black window is going to come up. Okay? And once that little black window come up, you just want to type in there ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Sorry about that. So let's put in here ipconfig space backslash flush DNS. And then click enter. Alright, and it'll tell you that you're successfully flushed the DNS reserve cache. Okay, and then only other thing you have to do is, like, if you're on Google Chrome like me, all you have to do is go to your history or any web browser that you're using. Okay, Opera, Chrome, Internet Explorer, whichever one you're using, just go to your history and delete all of the history. You want to check everything except for where your it says clear browsing data. You'll click on clear browsing data, and this will pop up. You want to click every box except for like your saved passwords or your autofill form data and your deauthorized content licenses. You want to leave those empty, but the rest of them, you click the put a check mark on them and just hit clear browsing data. I've already done mine, so I won't do it. Click browsing data, and you're all done. Now, you do this for every computer on your wireless network. So you guys should have no more problems with slow internet access in your home and your computers running slow. So if you follow these basic steps, you should be all set. Make sure you send me a shout out, okay, on Facebook, or either at my my email address, dbrianadams43@gmail.com. Get it done. Peace.